this is a little controversial, and I know that everybody can't get on board because of, you know, coronavirus and kids at home and maybe a working spouse or whatever the case. But I think you guys should be working from work, not from home. That's just my opinion. I think that we should treat this job as though we have a boss who's watching over us and will hold us accountable. And it's really easy to not do that when you're at home and you've got your couch and you've got your bed and you've got your animals and you've got your kitchen and your food and your TV and you've got a vacuum cleaner and things that need done. Like, you got to get out of that circumstance. You've got out. And I accredit a lot of my year last year to the fact that this time last year, we all got locked down and everybody was freaked out. And I was one of them. And I worked from home for 2 or 3 weeks. And then I said, what the hell am I doing? I've got a perfectly good office and nobody's there. So I started working from my office probably by April, and I never looked back. And it's, you know, for me, it's been business as usual, frankly, throughout the entire lockdown. Other people are still dealing with, oh, maybe I can get out and start emerging now, a year later, and maybe start treating this world as if it's normal. Well, you know what? My mentality has been, it's fine. You know, I'll be all right. Like, let's go to work. Let's get things done. And it's been huge. And coming here, it just puts you in a different frame of mind. I just think it's better altogether. You know, you're here, you're in a different circumstance. What the hell is that? Can you guys hear that? It's crazy.
Truckers are bringing in something.
Oh.
Some alarm, huh?
All right. Deanne, you're busted. Yeah, no, Deanne's phone is on the table. I didn't see that.
And it's like 2 inches from the speaker.
Yeah. Work from work. You know, not everybody can, but make an effort. I gave a shout out to Moses, KP, and to a lesser extent KW too, because those guys are here all the time. They're not paying for rent, but there's space here to do it. I think you guys should try and rent an office if you can. Have a space that you come to. There's a reason up until this pandemic that everybody has a place to go to every day. It's because it just makes sense. And even if you burn some time at the water cooler shooting the shit or you know, socializing, it's probably going to be a lot less than you would do at home because you're here all day. You're scheduling appointments, you're getting things done. It's just going to give you more productivity to get out of your house, to get out of your comfort zone, and come to work.